Guys, Miss Lee, ito na kami sa waterfalls now.
Just a moment.
Siya yung tour guide namin. Oh!
Guys, we are going up here. You want to follow?
So guys, sabi dito, yung waterfalls daw na yan ay lucky. Touch daw, tapos iganon sa ulo. Tapos susunod na kami sa taas. Yung pinaka viewpoint daw ng waterfalls. Ang ganda nga yun. So baka pag tinatch ko na yung tubig at nilagay dito, magkaka-love life na ako. Ay. Okay. Oh.
Someday it's like 1,000 people here.
Wow. Wow. Pa, ayan, beware flash floods. Ooh. Wow, astig. Wow. Naririnig ko na ang tunog ng tubig. Wow! So nature! So guys, ayan na po ang aming tour guide. Parang si ate, solo traveler siya, Indonesia. Then, pupunta daw kami sa peak na sabi daw niya, grabe tumataas daw pala yung tubig. So, sabi dito guys, lucky daw yung falls na to. So, oh, beware of flash. So, touch mo daw, tapos ganun daw sa ulo. Magkakaroon ka na daw ng lucky day. Ah. Oh my God, guys! Ayan na siya! Wow! OMG! Hala, first time ko makakita talaga ng waterfalls. Actually, hindi ko talaga bet yung mga waterfalls. Pero, wow! Ang ganda! So, hindi ko maintindihan yung sinasabi. Ano ko? Wow! Wow! Ang ganda! Wow! Wow! Oh my gosh! So ganda!
Together first, together first.
Yung kasama ko naiwan na. Wow! Nice!
Nice, right? Around 60 meters. Another one we're gonna make today is 80 meters. It's bigger more than here. And before leaving you guys to take a fun time here, I request you guys to have a photo group with me first. The photo not just only for beauty, but if something happened to you, I can use to be insurance for you also. And if you lost here, so I can show to the national park to find. This is the most beautiful waterfall in this mountain also. This waterfall from the sea level is higher around 750 meters. But from the top to the bottom, just 80 meters. The big one, right? The last one we see just 60 meters. This one is bigger. And actually in the old day, this place had founded by the local villagers around here. So they call this waterfall name is Tat Khong Yong. That is the Karen language, meaning like a great waterfall. But like I said, around 40 years ago, my president King Rama X, he come to visit this mountain. And sometime he decided to stop at this waterfall. And I have to say, my king, he in love with this waterfall so much. That's why he decided to give the name to this waterfall. So it means right now this waterfall has the king name, changed from Tat Khong Yong to be Wat Shiratan, because my king name is Wat Shira Longkorn. And everywhere in Thailand, if you see the place that have like a king name, that place gonna change to be like a conservation area. And some people, like a Thai people, we call this mountain like a mountain of the king, because this mountain have 3 king names here. This is the first place you're gonna see today. Another one gonna be in the afternoon. Alright? And I will recommend you about this place just for a little bit time, and then we go up together. If you want to have like a coffee,
Bye! So guys, aakyat na kami dito sa wow mountain. iniwan ko na yung kasama ko kasi gusto ko makita talaga ng personal. Personal. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda ng falls. Wow! OMG! So, nature talaga to. Nature trip talaga to, guys. Ibang trip sa ibang bansa. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda! Grabe! Wow!
The city for sure. Because the Korean here they make the product by the tradition way, and the art on the product. Actually, that is the ancient art also. Sometimes have meaning like a different meaning.
Okay. So guys, ito daw ay handmade.
The man in the try gonna play.
Oh, galing. Meron pa silang, may bag din sila guys. 4 days daw nila tinatapos. Yan. Super handmade kaya medyo mahal guys. Yan. Tapos, ito din. Oh. Tapos ganito siya ginagawa guys. Cotton siya. Yan. Ginawakan mo. And then, siya yung gumagawa. Ayan. Ano niya gawin. May mga ano din sila dito, oh. Ganyan, ganyan. As in, ganun pala siya gawin.
Normally the people here they harvest around November, December, just only one time. And then when they harvest, they're gonna put it on the water like this first for separate like a good quality or bad quality. The one that float up from the water is not good quality because sometimes the insect eat from inside. That's why they lost the weight and float up. So the people they remove the one that up on the water, choose just only the one that under the water is a good quality. And then when they're ready, they're gonna peel the shape one like a more taste, more smell, high caffeine, but a little bit sour. But if it's not enough, you can go to maximum at 16 minutes to have a dark roast like this. Dark roast feeling like a good smell, strong, no sour. And the coffee, I have to say, is good for our memory also. Okay, and today they have like a 4 kind of drink here for you, right? The first one, the black one over here is Arabica coffee, like a black coffee. This one just a medium roast. If you guys like to try like a dark roast or light roast, just let me know. So I gonna serve you that one. And another one, this one, like I said, this one a tea from like a coffee shell. They call it cascara. This one good for joint, good for bone, good for remove the wrinkle. Yes, and this one mixed flower tea. Mixed flower tea. The flower mixed together like a rose, jasmine, petal leaf, osmanthus, stevia flower, and then put a little bit honey inside. This one is good for relaxing, sleep well. Sleep well. And the last one, the blue one over here, butterfly pea flower tea. Normally the butterfly pea flower, they are very good for eyesight. For eyesight. If you like it, they have a local product over there. If you finish your drink, so I will give you a time. Maybe you can enjoy shopping later. But right now, please drink together first, Okay, guys. I finished my reason already. Let's go.
Sorry, which tea is the last?
Meron tayong mga Arabica coffee dito. Ito guys, pag inamoy mo siya, ang flavor niya ay caramel vanilla nutty, medium. Ito naman, ito ay lemon. Ay, hindi ko gusto yung amoy. Ito naman ay ito, dark chocolate. Iba yung amoy. And this one, pink. Fruity. Ay, bango. And the other one, black. Ito. Vanilla daw. Iba yung amoy. Punta na kami sa pagoda. So yun, dahil nga daw military base yun, ayun yan, pupuntahan namin. Mag-aantay pa kami ng soldier. Sasamahan kami ng soldier doon. So dito muna kami sa waiting area. Daming foreigner dito. Guys, punta na kami sa pagoda. Yun yung pupuntahan namin. Military base daw kasi siya, kaya sasamahan ng mga soldier. Samahan kami. So, ang cute gang selecta dito. Dito muna kami maghihintay. Yan, hahatid sila doon. Galing. Guys, pupunta na kami dyan. Para daw makapunta dyan, isasakay kami dyan sa military car. Kasi nga, ano daw yung military camp yung lugar na yun. Ganito. Oh. Okay, let's go.
And by your head, by your head, please. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
OMG! Ganda! Wow! Ang daming flowers! Wow! So cute! Wow! Ay, ano ba yun? Gilid. Saan daw? Follow me daw, di ba? Follow. Okay.
She is the professional.
Oh, okay.
For the one that have like a short trouser. So Thai people be making for our king and queen, like a past king and queen Rama 9. Okay. You ready? Okay. Because in the past, like I said, 40 years ago, my king and queen, they come here, right? Visit this mountain, give the knowledge to the local people here. But sometimes my queen, she decide to stop at this point of the mountain because she want to enjoy the viewpoint around here, and she in love with the point here so much. That's why sometimes they stop here for take a rest on the middle of the day. And then when they are like a 60 years old, the people here, like a military, local people, and some hill tribe people, they decide to make this place to give it to like a king and queen, 60-year commemorate gift, something like that. And if you see the Queen Pagoda over there, the purple one, that is the Queen Pagoda. Actually, they made it like a 55 meter, same age as my queen, because on the year they made my queen, she is 50 years old. And then another one, oh sorry, not enough. Actually about the color of the pagoda, actually my queen, she born in like a Saturday. That's why the purple color is over there, because color of the Saturday is the purple. Yeah. And then another one over there is the King Pagoda. King Pagoda, they made it for our king. 60 meter, same age with my king age, 60-year birthday. That is a little story about this one. And like I said, the color of our king family is golden and yellow. That's why you see the golden yellow up on the pagoda over there. And about this place, actually I will recommend you something. If you see the flower blossom over there, that is like a coffee shop. If you need to take a look another viewpoint, you can go on the second floor, so can enjoy. And if someone need to go to toilet, on the back building over there behind that, they have like a clean toilet for you. But if someone need a postcard or like a souvenir, in the big station over there, they're selling postcard and souvenir also. And right now, I will recommend you guys to visit the King Pagoda first, because up there they have like a small garden and panoramic viewpoint for you. Normally they will have an elevator station over there for you, 1 and 2, that will support you for go up. But if you want to go down, you have to hiking a little bit. exercise time. Yeah. When you finish visit the King Pagoda up there, you can go down visit the Queen Pagoda there. When you finish, you can turn right on the garden over there. You will see like a great garden, and they have a lot of photo spots also. That's why I said you're gonna have like 1,000 pictures today. Yes. And about the time, I will give you 40 minutes, guys.
40 minutes?
40 minutes.
1 hour.
1 hour.
Sorry, guys.
Maybe
Maybe not enough. 40 minutes until 3 and 16. No opium, no opium. 3:16 na. I will let you at the color.
Guys, kasi bawal daw pala yung mga naka-skirt dito or shorts. Kaya tingnan mo si Miss Lian na outfit niya. Pupunta muna kami sa King Pagoda. Yan. So, ang picture ko na lang sa'yo, Miss Lian, ay half body. Kasi for the palda yarn, oh my gosh, first time kita nakita nagpalda. Ay. Wow! Wala pa nga, nagpa-practice pa ako, guys. Ito na talaga. Ito na. Wow! Okay nang wow. Dito muna tayo. Sabi di ba dito muna? Wow! Sobrang taas. So, dito muna tayo, guys, papasok. Let's see kung anong nandoon sa loob. Paa tayo. Ay, oh, ang lamig ng floor. Miss Lee. Wow, ganito pala dito. Hindi ko kaya ang lamig ng floor. Ating next destination ay night market. Ay, bibilan ko pala si Tyler. Ayan, tingin ka ma'am ng mga damit. Dito na kami sa night market. T-shirt. Magkano kaya yung t-shirt? Mga ganito, oh. Ah! Wow, ito. Uy, ma'am, 6,400 daw. Ayan. Guys, mga dress.
Kung saan yung mabibili yung ano.
Okay.
Box.
Oh, cute. Oh, shorts. Magkano kayo? How much is it? How much is shorts? Ah, okay. So, mas mura dun sa una. Ito, ma'am, yung elepante. Ayan, oh. Maintindihan ng sarili ko sa daming tindahan dito. Hindi ko na kaya. Parang gusto ko nang bilhin lahat. Charot! Ayan, swimsuit. Ay, wala kasi. Uy, bag ulit. Oh, magkano kaya tong bag na to? Elepante. Ayan, yan. Bags there, here, and there. And everywhere. There. And there. How much is that? Oh my gosh. Dito pala yung mga bagelya. Wala, magkano? Ito na ang ating menu ngayon, McDonald's sa Chiang Mai. Hala, magkano? Ha? Press. Tingnan natin. Heart order.